Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is, show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve it. So first of all, you have to show that your given differential equation is homogeneous. Now to show that it is homogeneous, we can rewrite the given differential equation. The given differential equation can be expressed as आप dy by dx लिखो. अगर dx को आप एक तरफ ले जाओगे dy के साथ और dy के साथ जो भी एक्सप्रेशन लिखा है वो इसके डिनोमिनेटर में ले आओगे, देन यू विल गेट x cos of y by x plus y sin of y by x multiplied by y divided by y sin y by x minus x cos y by x, and whole thing is going to be multiplied by x. Now we can do one thing, we can divide numerator and denominator by x. Then we get cos y by x plus y by x sin y by x. आपने x से डिवाइड किया, यहाँ से x से x कट गया, यहाँ पे y by x बन गया, and this is y by x again, and y by x into sin y by x minus x से x कैंसिल हो जाएगा and cos y by x. This will be your equation, differential equation. Now to let this function is f of xy. Now we have to first check whether this function is homogeneous or not. So consider f of lambda x lambda y and f of lambda x lambda y. जब आप x को lambda x से रिप्लेस करेंगे और y को lambda y से रिप्लेस करेंगे तो lambda y upon lambda x will remain same, y upon x lambda y upon lambda x will remain same. Here also lambda will cancel out, lambda will cancel out, lambda will cancel out, and this will become f of xy only. And this can be written as lambda times lambda raised to power 0 fxy. That implies your function fxy is homogeneous with degree 0, and that implies that dy by dx is equals to f of xy is a homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so we have already shown that your differential equation represented by equation 1 is homogeneous. Now we are going to solve it. Now to solve this type of differential equation, homogeneous differential equation, we are going to substitute y is equals to vx. That is, we can rewrite that y by x is equals to v. So dy by dx is equals to, अगर आप इसको x with respect to x differentiate करते हैं तो क्या आता है, dy by dx is equals to first function as it is derivative of second plus derivative of second function as it is derivative of first. Now your equation 1 implies dy by dx को आप v प्लस x dv by dx से रिप्लेस करेंगे is equals to cos of y by x can be written as v. So cos of v plus v sin v into v upon v sin v sin v minus cos v. Okay, this will become, 1 implies that your differential equation will become like this. अगर आप v को वहाँ पर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं, then x dv by dx will be cos v plus v sin v into v upon v sin v minus cos v minus v. Okay, and that is equals to x dv by dx is equals to v into cos v प्लस v स्क्वायर इंटू साइन v, और माइनस आप v के साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो v स्क्वायर साइन v माइनस माइनस प्लस v cos v होल अपॉन v sin v minus cos v. Okay, now your this term will cancel out and you are left with x dv by dx is equals to v cos v plus v cos v. So we can write it as 2 times v cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. Now this is the function of v only, so we can shift with dv और dx और x को आप दूसरी साइड शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. So you can rewrite your function as v sin v minus cos v upon 2v, or we can take v cos v dv this side and 2 times 1 upon x dx can be shifted to right hand side. dx न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा आपका और x डिनोमिनेटर में. नाउ वी कैन इंटीग्रेट बोथ साइड्स. नाउ इंटीग्रेट बोथ साइड्स. We get integral of v sin v minus cos v upon v cos v dv is equals to 2 times integral 1 by x dx. Now this can be separable. आप इसको सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर को, देन यू विल गेट v विल कैंसिल आउट tan v dv माइनस ये cos v कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 1 अपॉन v dv आ जाएगा एंड हेयर दिस इज 1 by x dx. नाउ इंटीग्रेट all the functions. Tan v will give you log sec v. Okay, now integral of 1 upon v is log v only and integral of 1 upon x is log x plus c. C is the constant. Now this can be written as log m minus log n is log of sec v upon v, and this can be written as log of x square plus c. अब आप x स्क्वायर को भी log, इस log को भी यहाँ पर शिफ्ट करते हैं तो ये नेगेटिव साइन विद नेगेटिव साइन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट होगा. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू log ऑफ sec v अपॉन v x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू c, और वी कैन री राइट दिस एज sec v अपॉन v x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू log ऑफ समथिंग इज c. तो समथिंग इज e raised to power c and e raised to power c is just a constant. Now we can substitute the value of v here. V is y by x. So sec y by x is equals to, your vx is y. So cxy, and this is the required solution of given differential equation.